Alright, this is called Champion Chess. It's free on the App Store. I don't know what the fingers are, but let's go. Going to D. Wait, is that supposed to be D4? My brain is not working right now. What? Why you put the horse on the corner, homie? That's not where you put the horsey. Thinking. It'll take too long now. You're gonna hurt my feelings. Okay, bring out all the knights. This guy has a strange strategy, putting them the horses on the ends. I thought someone on YouTube said that you're not supposed to do that, like, because then they're limited. All right, I'm bringing all the horses up. I mean, not the horses. Bringing up the pawns. You just keep moving those horses around. You do what you want to do. And I'll do what I want to do. Wow. I feel mighty here. What you gonna do when I come for you, bad boys? Well, that is a very bizarre offering of horse. Game has pretty decent graphics for an old iPad. He's just hopping his horse around like a madman. Okay. Let's get some other pieces involved here. What you gonna do when I bring out the bishop towards you? Alrighty then. Not sure the game plan here. Just randomly moving pieces. That is acceptable. I'm gonna bring out let's bring out a wall of pawns. My horse is protected doubly. I don't know if I want to trade that for that though. The bishop. Let's go with another. Bring a bishop into the mix. Totally safe. Wow, this is such a bizarre game. I don't know if I'm good at chess or not. I keep beating all the easy guys on the chess.com or whatever. And so, but you can't really tell by that. We got to play real people, I guess. There's no way that this guy's gonna be that dumb, right? No way. That's a check. That's a check. Okay. Okay. We'll do a trade. It's a pretty good deal. I'm not afraid of that knight at all. Bam. Wow, I'm just slaughtering the house here. Protecting a horse? Okay. That is acceptable, my friend. Would be the best move that I could possibly do. That'll just change the course of history. Probably. Didn't I have a... Oh, yeah. I don't know if I want to trade a bishop for a knight. Let's bring up some pawns. Clear out the scuffle here. Whoa! What was that? What? Dude, what just happened? What just happened? What just happened, man? Something went flying across the screen. What was that? I have to rewind that after. That was weird. That was weird, right? What was that? I want to undo it. The bishop. So yeah, I killed the... What? What? I am so confused, man. That's my bishop. What the heck is happening here? Move the pawn forward. Oh. What? What is happening? Oh, that knight is his. Oh my gosh, I'm having a stupid attack or something. Okay. So he's gonna take out my bishop. That's fine. Oh, we'll let that happen. So yeah, I'll move this guy forward. I was just wondering what the heck flew across the screen. Go ahead, buddy. I thought he went over there and he killed, like, took out my rook or something. I don't know what happened. That was weird. I don't understand. Okay, so I'll let that. Let's trade, buddy. Let us trade. I was hoping he was going to do the other one so I could bring my queen in there behind my bishop and attack. Doesn't look like I can do that now. What you gonna do when I come for you? Better get scared. I'm not gonna. Ooh, I see that bishop there. Getting careless. I'm going in for the. Where did that bishop come from, man? What the heck, man? What the heck, man? Is this guy supposed to be easy? Why am I getting my? I'm getting my getting destroyed here. But all is not over. Alright. Holy cow, he's got such good positioning for his dudes. His dudes! I don't know, just do something. Take the bishop. That was a stupid move. Man, these bishops look like pawns. Alright, move back. I ain't trading a bishop for a horse. No way. No way. No way, dude. No way. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Yeah, you're panicking, right? I just need the backup of my knight. No. Oh, I can't move him. He's stuck. Ah. Actually, I'm gonna protect my king at all cost. Man, these knights make me so nervous. That's a check. Oh, he got his knight there, man. Die. Let's just get him out of the way then. Psst. Overthinking, man. You see the smoke coming out of my ears? Alright, let's bring out the big guns. That's another check, my buddy. It's a checkmate, actually. It's a, no. Is that it? Alright, let's get rid of this pawn. This game is over. That's a checkmate, dude. It's just a check? What are you gonna do? I did not even look on that side of the board. I was just so focused in at this king, man. Jeez. That's okay. I'm feeling pain. That was careless, man. Oh, jeez. All right. Man, he's got a knight. This is not looking good. I gotta get my pawn up there. You stay there, knight or king. You stay right there. I'm coming to get you. Slowly but surely. Gonna get checkmated by a pawn. So if I go forward with my pawn beside my rook, he's going to eat me with the horse, and then I'll eat him with the rook. And then his king will eat my bishop. So that's not a good trade. That is not a good deal. I don't like that bishop down there, and I don't like... Also, yeah, just move it up. Move it up. Why did I think he was protected? Okay. So he's got... Whoa, I'm in trouble here, man. Sort of. Okay. That's a check. Shut it off.